Hello, my name is Demetrio. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about the details of my new song called Singularity. The song is gonna be released together with my new album, which is called The Revolution of Evolution, which is gonna be released on September 21st via Fusion Core Records. I released the song some days ago, or at least I released the playthrough of the song. And now I'm gonna talk a little bit about some technical, theoretical, and harmonical based concepts. The song is played on an A string guitar. The tuning is drop E and A. So basically your guitar is gonna be E, A, E, A, D, G, B, E. So basically the notes are B and F sharp, which are gonna be tapped on the fret number 14th. So basically it's a 7/8. After that, I'm gonna switch to the clean, and there will be still a 7/8. Kind of arpeggio, is a power chord basically with open strings on the E and A string. This is gonna be doubled by the guitar that is coming in with distortion. After that, there is a rhythm. And basically the guitar is playing the verse. And the verse is basically a harmonic minor scale, Frisian dominant basically. And then comes the chorus, and for the chorus I opted for something very melodic. So basically, this is basically the chorus. I'm playing an E minor scale. After that, there is a development of the verse where I'm playing some arpeggios. I'm playing A minor arpeggio with a tapping on the root. Switching to C major. And then I follow the scale again. Here comes the second verse. There is basically a lick which is harmonized with 3 different voices, and it's based on E minor. This note, which is the G, is going to be bended a little bit. Major scale starts on the E. So basically it's Mixolydian. After that we move to E minor again, and I'm playing this scale, which is an E minor scale. B. And then a power chord of D. And then there is another arpeggio here, which basically is an E minor arpeggio, right? But I play it like this, harmonized. And then I move to D major. And then I play F sharp Locrian, which works as a connection between the verse and the chorus, which starts again here. bending on the fret number 14th, E minor scale. Here instead I play a C sharp, which bends to D. Here there is a bridge, the first bridge of the song, where I play another melody, which starts with the bending of S sharp to G. E minor arpeggio. Then there is a tapping on the E minor pentatonic scale. Then I go and basically I fret the second position on the G, which is an A, and I tap it one octave higher. And then I slide down to E on the same string, and I tape it on the fret number 21. And then I play A on the G string, and I tap it on 22. So basically it goes like this. After the tapping, and then I move to the A minor pentatonic scale in tapping, with the tapping on the 12th fret. With ending on A, on the G string again, playing a tap harmonic on the fret number 14th. Here comes bridge number 2, where basically we turn the whole song into some kind of Iron Maiden based bridge. I have the clean, which is coming in. Here I'm playing a C sus2, which changed the bass into G sharp, creating a cluster. And the whole thing just settled on a B flat sus2. Here I play a solo, which starts on the last string on E. This is based on the C minor scale. That's why here I play a C minor arpeggio. And then comes A sharp mixolydian, played in tapping backwards. Then basically the rhythm guitar goes to this kind of riff. Which still follows the arpeggio. Right? So basically the rhythm goes like this. So it goes on the G sharp. And I play an arpeggio, which follows the reduction kind of idea, which is a technique from the Indian music, where basically it's the opposite of reduction, basically. I'm adding a note on every beat. So basically it goes like this. This is a C minor 7. Which connects to D sharp major 7. Which connects to G minor 7. And ends on this bending here. And then comes the chorus again. And it goes kind of fading out. And then in the end, there is some kind of improvisation. So those are basically some concepts that I used during the composition of this song, Singularity. Go check out the playthrough. The song is going to be released together with the album. It's going to be the first single of the album, basically. So it's going to be promoted on Spotify and all the DSP on the web. So save the date. The album is going to come out on September 21st. Demetrio Scopelliti, The Revolution of Evolution. See you soon. Bye.